Welcome to Cooking with Bailey. This is way better than cooking with Caroline.
It's so
Butter hot. So, we're gonna make some banana cream pie the right way. Caroline tried to make this the other day, failed miserably. I choose lactose free because, you know, it makes me fart.
I've done almond milk.
We were out.
That's the second packet of
Second
vanilla.
packet of vanilla.
Had you helping?
Sugar free. Yes, she's doing great. Thank you. It's all fresh. Now we can use it again. Whisk it up, baby.
What do you think? Do you think it tastes good? Is it going to be really yummy?
Yeah, just add a little bit. Let this sit for 5 minutes. I went a little bit over. If you stir it anymore, it ruins it, but that's okay. You got a little pet.
Let me flatten it.
Oh, good game, pie. Good game.
Let me. You're gonna flatten it out. We just want to make sure it's all smooth. We want to make sure it's all evenly coated.
Too slow.
You're making me mad. So this
You've already made me mad.
is
The only step Caroline's allowed to do because she'll mess it up even more. So guys, we're gonna put this in the fridge, let it sit, and then we're gonna whip cream this bad boy up.
and it is so fun to smooth. Oh,
Would
honestly,
you?
I could do this for hours.
Well, I'll just get something for her to smooth for hours.
Do it. I'll do it. Bailey,
What?
lick my finger.
You lick your finger. I'll lick something else, but not your finger.
That's inappropriate.
Fantastic.
Ta-da!
Look, she actually did a pretty decent job.
Okay, here you go. Well, you just put it on.
Well, the final step, we are a day later because Caroline off. Well, we had no whipped cream yesterday. I went and
Just
picked
put it
some up,
on.
and we're just gonna smear this on. Don't use the whole thing.
Use the whole
Caroline.
And that is how you make a banana cream pie. 2 days later. 1 day later. You made it last night?
I didn't make it last night. I mean, I made you one. Wasn't banana cream though.